So now we move to lecture 4, covering planes and sketches. In this lecture we'll cover the concepts behind planes and sketches and why we need them, talk about how to create planes and sketches in the design model interface. I'll show you the sketching interface and the toolboxes associated with the interface, and the toolbox contains details of the features needed to create the sketches, such as draw, modify, dimension, and also constraining of sketches. So where does sketching sit in the pre-processing workflow? It sits right at the beginning at the geometry creation or geometry import step as a first step operation. It's conventionally more likely to be used as part of a geometry creation step, because we're actually using a sketch on which to create the 3D geometry. But it also can be used as part of appending to existing geometry that has, for example, been imported from CAD. So what is a plane? Well, a plane represents a two-dimensional representation that upon which we can create a sketch, so that then the sketch relies on the plane. In this example we have our original plane, which has been defined in the bottom left, and the plane, although we can see there it's like a local coordinate system with the red, green, blue, the plane is in fact the green, red arrows, and they form the plane which is referred to here. On that plane we can then create a sketch. In this instance we've created a sketch of a circle, and that circle as a sketch is then reliant on that plane. With that circle we then can perform a 3D operation, in this case to extrude it into a cylinder shape, where we can see the reliance of the geometry of the body to the sketch, and then the sketch to the plane.